Number 6. Go bald, gray. It means to lose hair, bald or forehair to become gray with age.
My grandfather started to go bald in his 30s. My grandfather started to go bald in his 30s. She noticed her hair was starting to go gray. She noticed her hair was starting to go gray. Many men go bald as they get older. Many men go bald as they get older.
Number 7. Go over. It means to review or examine something.
Let's go over the notes from yesterday's meeting. Let's go over the notes from yesterday's meeting. He went over his speech several times. He went over his speech several times. She goes over her homework every night. She goes over her homework every night.
Number 8. Go through. It means to experience or endure something.
They went through a lot during the trip. They went through a lot during the trip. She's going through a tough time right now. She's going through a tough time right now. He went through all the documents carefully. He went through all the documents carefully.
Number 9. Go above and beyond. It means to do much more than is required or expected.
He always goes above and beyond for his clients. He always goes above and beyond for his clients. The teacher went above and beyond to help students. The teacher went above and beyond to help students. They went above and beyond to finish the project on time. They went above and beyond to finish the project on time.
Number 10. Go out of one's way. It means to make a special effort to do something.
She went out of her way to make me comfortable. She went out of her way to make me comfortable. He went out of his way to find the book for me. He went out of his way to find the book for me. They really went out of their way for the celebration. They really went out of their way for the celebration.